Hello students, I hope this video finds you well. So in this video we are going to deal with the electrode potential. Now what is electrode potential? So students, you know that we have already studied in galvanic cell that one electrode lose electron and another electrode gain electron. In that, anode was losing electron and cathode was gaining electron, right? So this tendency to lose and gain electron is called electrode potential. So what is electrode potential? It is a tendency to lose or gain electron. This is a tendency of electrode to lose or gain electron, right? So electrode potential is a tendency to lose or gain electrons. Okay, so student, this is the one term. Now you can also explain electrode potential in another way. See what happens when there is a beaker in which electrode is dipped. We are talking only about half cell, right? So in this, electrode is dipped in the electrolyte, right? Now what happened in this metal may lose electron and it may form N positive by losing an electrons, right? So what is happening here? Oxidation is taking place here. Metal is losing an electron and it is forming its metal ion, right? So what happens students, because of this oxidation reaction, what happened in this solution? This electrode will become negatively charged. On its surface negative charge will be accumulated and surrounding this positive charge will be accumulated. So because of this loss of electron, what will happen? Electrode double layer will be formed. Here electrode double layer will be formed. We are talking about a next definition of electrode potential. So because of the loss of electron, this negative charge electron will accumulate over here and this positive charge ion will accumulate over here in this way. So in this, what we can say that here electrode double layer is forming. Right? And you can see this also as here at electrode and electrolyte interface double layer is forming. You can also say that at the interface of electrolyte and electrode double layer is forming, right? This double layer have electric potential difference. This double layer have electric potential difference, and this electric potential difference is called electrode potential. So students, let me conclude this topic. Suppose this is a beaker which is having electrode in it, then what will happen? Suppose this metal undergo oxidation reaction and it form M positive, that is metal ion, and along with the loss of electron. So this metal ion and negative charge electron will be arranged in such a way. Suppose this is a metal, so negative charge electron will arrange in this way and just surrounding it positive charge ion will also get attracted by electrostatic force of attraction and they will form electrical double layer. Right? So this double layer is forming at the interface of electrode and electrolyte. Here electrolyte is there and this is electrode. So at the interface of electrolyte and electrode, this electrical double layer will be formed, right? Now because the electrical double layer, there will be electrical potential difference. You know that it just work as a capacitor. it will just work as a capacitor. So because of this electrical double layer, what will happen, electrical potential difference will be created at the interface of electrode, that is metal, and electrolyte, that is solution. So at the interface of metal and solution, electrode potential will be developed, and this electrode potential, this electrical potential difference is called electrode potential. Okay, I hope you understood. So you can give first term as, this is the tendency, electrode potential is the tendency to lose electron or gain electron. So if any electrode lose or gain electron, then that will be said as if it's as the electrode potential, right? And if you can also say that the potential difference which is developed between the interface of the electrolyte and electrode is also known as electrode potential. So this is the two definitions of electrode potential, right? So let's look at the type of potential. Here students, you can see that there's two tendency. First, it can lose or it can gain. So electrode potential will also be of two type, because it can lose or it can gain electron, and electrode can lose or gain electron. Therefore its type will be also of two kinds, right? So let's see the types of electrode potential. So type of electrode potential are, there are two type of electrode potential. First one is oxidation potential. First one is oxidation potential, and the second one is reduction potential. Student, by word itself you can define the definition of oxidation potential and reduction potential, right? Oxidation potential is for the electrode which lose electron. So electrode which have tendency to lose electron is called oxidative potential or oxidative electrode potential, and the electrode which have tendency to gain electron, electrode which have tendency to gain electron is called reductive electrode potential or reduction potential. Okay, and separately these are known as, individually these are known as single electrode potential. Separately these are known as single electrode potential, right? Because this is of one half cell and this is of another half cell. So these two are, we take them as an individual separate concept, right? So if we talk about this half cell, this is single electrode potential, which is oxidative electrode potential, and this is for the another half cell. So this will again known as the reductive electrode potential. So electrode which lose electron is called oxidative potential, and electrode which gain electrode is called reductive potential. Okay, so just look at the equations. If we represent in the term of equation, then in this we will show that suppose a metal which is in solid state, it will lose electron and it will form metal ion along with the loss of electrons. So an electron will be lost. For example, if we talk about zinc is solid electrode, it will convert into zinc 2 plus, then 2 electron will be lost. So this is for the oxidation potential, which shows the tendency to lose electrons, right? And if we talk about the reduction potential, which means the tendency to gain electron, then in that case metal ion which is in aqueous state, you have to write the state also, which is in aqueous state will gain electron and it will form neutral metal, that is solid metal. Now if again we take an example, then just remember about the cathode of galvanic cell. Then copper 2 positive, which is in aqueous state, will gain 2 electrons and it will form solid copper, that is in solid state.